up2parts, the self-learning co-pilot for manufacturing. Every AI system requires a large amount of structured and contextualized data. The quantity is not a problem in manufacturing companies. Data is everywhere, but unfortunately, it is scattered and mostly unstructured. up2parts Cockpit, as a central entry point to up2parts, helps to centralize and organize this data and make it available to all relevant departments within the organization. Thanks to its resource-saving architecture, the viewer can even be used directly on the machine tool controls. All manufacturing-related data is available in the clearly arranged CAD viewer. Integrated feature recognition for holes, pockets, and faces. Design for manufacturing check. And measurement function. Make the viewer an efficiency-enhancing tool for the entire manufacturing organization. Tolerances and parts are critical and enable the component to function. With the easy-to-use PMI tool, surface roughness, threads, fits, and dimensional tolerances can be added manually. The biggest highlight is certainly the new and automatic reading of tolerances from technical drawings. The tolerances are stored in a structured manner on the part to expand simple 3D models into fully tolerance models and are available for further use by calculation and AutoCAM. With the easy-to-use Contour Hull tool, the three-dimensional representation of all outer faces can be defined and added to the feature list in up2parts Cockpit. This information will be taken into account for work plan and CAM estimation in the future.